Let's find out.
It's turning blue. It's turning blue. It's turning light blue.
A white blue, and I see a green. Let's try the red or the pink. It's red. What's happening?
It's turning light red. Light pink. It's turning pink now. I see green. I see green. It's so cool.
What do you think?
Like a banana. A banana. It's turning rainbow.
Is it? It looks like a rainbow. Let's see what happens if we add yellow.
Wow. The flicker we have to add pink. Mine fell.
Ooh, look at this side. Oh.
You forgot the purple. No, it's pink.
You don't have to stir hard. Stir lightly. So what's happening? Look at all the colors we have. We have pink. We have green. We have yellow.
You forgot orange?
I don't see an orange in there.
I see an orange.
Oh, it is turning orange, isn't it?
I see a green.
Good job.
I want purple. Who got a tattoo? Whoa.
What's happening?
It's turning purple. No. Let's mix it here. Let's mix it here.
Awesome.